Welcome to the Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Myself, Chikana, lecturing commercial practice, Government Polytechnic, Chintamani. Today, I want to discuss about Financial Accounting 1, subject code 20CP12T for first semester, Unit 4, Cash Book, Session 15. Recap: problems and solutions on analytical petty cash book. Where in previous classes we are discussing about problems and solutions on analytical petty cash book and how to prepare a petty cash book. Table of content: problems and solutions on analytical petty cash book. Learning objectives: know the basic knowledge of petty cash book, familiarize with basic terms of accounting, familiarize with the methods of recording various business transactions, acquire necessary skills to maintain various books of accounts. Here, one problem is given. First we go through the problem. Prepare petty cash book from the following. May 1st handed over petty cash and impressed rupees 1000. May 2nd bought postage and stamps 57 rupees 50 paise. May 2nd paid travelling expenses rupees 72.5 50 paise. Again May 2nd paid travelling expenses May 2nd paid for stationery 92 rupee 50 paise. May 4th paid for office cleaning rupees 13 rupee 50 paise. May 5th paid for carriage 15 rupees. May 9th paid travelling expenses 105 rupees 50 paise. May 13th paid for postage and stamps 84 rupees. May 15th paid cartage 22 rupee 50 paise. May 18th served tea to customers 6 rupees. May 21st paid for telegram 12 rupees. May 22nd paid for carriage 44 rupees. May 25th bought office stationery 137 rupees. May 26th bought postage stamps 39 rupee 50 paise. May 28th paid for office cleaning 14 rupees. May 29th paid for painting rupees 150. May 30th paid to Raman account 79 rupees. May 31st give tips to office peon 14 rupees. May 31st give charity 2 rupees. These are the expenses we made in the month of May. From these information we prepare one petty cash book. While preparing the petty cash book, we are considering these expenses. This is the petty cash book. The opening in May 1st opening balance or total receipt side amount 1000 rupees. May 1st we enter 1000 in receipt side. Then May 2nd postage and stamps we made 57 rupee 50 paise. We enter first in total column, then we enter in postage and telegram column 57 rupee 50 paise. Then May 2nd again we made some expenses on stationery 92 rupees 50 paise. We enter total in total column 92 rupee 50 paise. Then the remaining, then the amount will be entered into postage and stationery column. Then again May 2nd we made some expenses, traveling expenses rupees 72 rupees 50 paise. We enter into total column 72 rupee 50 paise. Then traveling expenses column 72 rupee 50 paise. Then May 4th by office cleaning we made some expenses for office cleaning 13 rupee 50 paise. We enter in total column, then sundry expenses column 13 rupee 50 paise. May 5th carriages rupees 50 rupees. We enter in total column, then carriage and cottage column rupees 15. Then May 9th traveling expenses rupees 105. Enter total 105 in total column, then 105 rupee 50 paise in traveling column. Here May 13th postage and stamps 84 rupees. We enter 84 rupees in total column, then 84 rupees in postage and telegram column. Then May 15th by cottage rupees 72 50 paise. Here total column 72 50 paise and enter it in carriage and cottage column. Then May 18th T2 customer rupees 6 rupees. We enter total column 6 rupee, then 6 rupees in sundry expenses column. Then May 21st by telegrams 12 rupees. We made on telegram expenses on telegrams rupees 12 rupees. We made we first enter in 12 rupees in total column, then postage and telegram column 12 rupees. May 22nd by carriage rupees 44. Enter 44 rupees in total column and carriage and cottage column. May 25th we purchase some stationery rupees 137 rupees. We enter 137 in total column, then postage and stationery column 137 rupees. Then May 26th printing and stationery postage and stamps 39 rupee 50 paise. We enter in postage and telegram column and total column. May 28th office cleaning 14 rupees enter in total column, then 14 rupees enter into sundry expenses column. May 29th by printing 150 rupees in total column, then 150 rupees in printing a stationery column. May 30th by Ram's account 79 rupees. Enter 79 rupees in total column, then miscellaneous expenses column, sundry expenses column 79 rupees. May 31st by tips to peon 14 rupees. Enter into total column, then 14 rupees in sundry expenses column. Then same day May 31st charity expenses made on charity rupees 2. Enter in total column, then sundry expenses column 2 rupees. We make all total individual column as well as total column. The total column total is 960 rupee 50 paise. The remaining balance of 1039 rupee 50 paise, because the receipt side the total amount is 1000. The difference is 39 rupee 50 paise will be opening balance for June 1st, 39 rupees 50 paise, 960 rupee 50 paise to cash account. This is the solution for petty cash book. Here one worksheet is given. Prepare petty cash book from the following. May 1st, handed over petty cashier on impressed rupees 5000. Bought postage and stamps rupees 157.50. May 2nd, paid travelling expenses 52 rupees 50 paise. May 2nd, paid travelling expenses 52 rupees 50 paise. May 2nd, paid for stationery 192 rupees 50 paise. May 4th, paid for office cleaning 13 rupees 50 paise. May 5th, paid for carriage 15 rupees. May 13th, paid for postage and stamps 184 rupees. Then May 15th, paid for cottage 22 rupees 50 paise. May 18th, served to tea to customer rupees 6. May 21st, paid for telegram 12 rupees. May 22nd, paid for carriage 44 rupees. May 25th, bought office stationery 137 rupees. May 26th, bought postage stamps 39 rupees 50 paise. May 29th, paid for printing 150 rupees. May 30, paid to ROM on account 79 rupees. May 31st, give charity 5 rupees. From these information, we prepare one petty cash book. Session outcomes. At the end of this course, student will able to understand the basic knowledge of petty cash book, understand the knowledge of maintaining the books of accounts. These are the books for reference. Thank you.